A very warm good morning to all of you. I, Ankit Mishra, a student of 3rd semester Mechanical Engineering Department, welcome our guest speakers, HOD sir, all faculty members, staff and young students of Mechanical Engineering Department to this institution's Innovation Council event, Idea to Impact, where successful entrepreneurs will be sharing their journey with us. We welcome Mr. Shivam Chandak sir and Mr. Aryan Soni sir, founder and partners of ThinkBase. Sri Shankaracharya Institute of Professional Management and Technology at promoting a culture of innovation and research among students, faculty and staff. In the year 2018, the Ministry of Education through its Innovation Cell launched the institution's Innovation Council program in collaboration with the AICTE for higher educational institutions to systematically foster the culture of innovation. So good morning everyone.
Good morning, sir.
ये चीज I have discussed with sir and I'm going to repeat it here again. Our journey is not a roadmap for you guys, but definitely it's an understanding thing where you'll have some questions and just straight up don't think that this question is going to be not something that's important or maybe something जितना interesting नहीं रहेगा. Don't think about those things. Just ask the question. And if you feel it's gonna sound dumb, just don't bother about it. We have asked more dumb questions than you guys actually think. The worst part about this was we should have never gotten the order in the first place if they knew what we were doing in the background. But it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, हम लोग को interest था, हमको कुछ करना था, and हम लोगों ने start कर दिया. So if you think that having everything since day one is gonna make sure
colleges. The worst thing that can happen is your startup will fail, but you won't lose any the experience in aftermath. Because if you fail, nobody is forcing you to continue your startup. You can just go for a job after the college, so you won't lose any time. That's one benefit of it.
And it's not a dire situation anymore. You are not going for a deadline. You are not going for कि अगर कल के कल में मेरा startup नहीं शुरू होता तो घर वाले बोलेंगे job कर. It's the first thing. If you're starting to refine every single aspect of your startup, and जब तक तुम third तक पहुँचते हो, तुम्हारा सब कुछ sort हो चुका है. Second year में and third year तक, you'll have a basic idea of, okay, so we have figured out the basics, we have figured out where to find the customers, and we have also figured out the fact कि, okay, we can do this. And don't look for investments immediately.
Yeah, don't look for investments. If you look for the investment, then you are not ready for the startup without money.
Technical side of the business, where the technicalities of the background work, and I usually handle the actual business aspects of the things, where interacting with the customers, getting the orders, we're going for negotiations, and pretty much we just came back from one right now as we speak. So you guys you have the open floor to talk about anything, any questions you have, anything you guys are considering, anything would work for us. Just go have an interaction where if you have a product idea, tell us about it, and I can give you an assurance at the end of the day. I'll be able to give you some insight because we have worked with.
What do you mean by innovation? The necessity can be anything. That's a really small problem. Like if you are stuck in traffic, you are feeling bored. Let's create an app that gets something delivered to your car. That's a very basic necessity, and that's a very little innovation. It doesn't require an AI. It doesn't require blockchain, anything. So innovation is not something that we want to do at extremely other level. What you can do is do something that already exists, but apply it somewhere else. That can also be innovation. If you have a business idea like that, you can do that.
I am not having any idea.
Okay. What do you have any hobbies by any chance?
So hobbies, I like writing poems. I like dancing, and sometimes I read books. That's my hobbies.
Okay, that's
So actually, I am interested in transport business, and I also want to go in coal business, means buying a big land,
some of
land and doing.
cells of raw material at a lower
Okay.
price and then
Yes,
outside.
yes, yes.
That's totally a business idea. For you, I'll be honest. If you have a passion for
one of the passions you told about. The other passion you told about requires a huge sum of capital initially.
Yes.
But if you have a habit of writing poems and stuff,
Yes.
one things we actually understood. Currently, we were hiring, and this is one thing the बहुत तुम लोगों को will give you the biggest advantage in starting a startup, getting a job, doesn't matter where you go, like, and if you go for a startup, that's gonna be one of the biggest, everything we always wanted to buy. Don't do that. It's a mistake हमने की है, and even if I'm telling you, it won't make a difference. तुम लोग still करने वाले हो वो चीज़, because you have for the first time a huge sum of capital तुम्हारे हाथ में. What you do is, अभी currently what we have understood is कि तुम खुद को जितना डिसेंट्रलाइज कर सकते हो करो, मैन्युफैक्चरर्स ढूंढो एंड ट्राई करो कि तुम जो प्रोडक्ट है उसकी डिमांड अच्छी हो. अमेजोन पे सेल करोगे अगर तो रिमेंबर वन थिंग, बहुत लोग अमेजोन पे सेम चीज़ सेल करो, इट्स योर पेटेंट नाउ फर्स्टली. सेकेंडली यू विल से कि ठीक है मैंने थोड़ा सा चेंज किया तो अब कोई और भी चेंज कर लेगा. योर पॉइंट इज नॉट टू क्रिएट अ प्रोडक्ट विच इज कॉम्प्लेक्स, योर पॉइंट इज टू क्रिएट इट टू द पॉइंट इट्स टू कन्वीनियंट. यू नो द एंटायर पॉइंट ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग जो अभी हम कर रहे हैं, इट्स कन्वीनियंस. People pay for convenience. People pay for Netflix. People pay for Amazon. Not because हम pirate नहीं कर सकते हैं. हर movie is piratable. Everything is available. It's the convenience people pay for. For a person, so the entire point is, if a product is easily available, you know, people don't really care कि brand क्या है until it's too conveniently available. Lays का पैकेट है हर जगह मिलता है. Convenient है कि तुम बस निकलो और तुमको लेस का पैकेट है बाजू वाली दुकान में मिल जाएगा. बाजू वाली दुकान में अगर बीकाजी मिलेगा ना और लेस नहीं मिल रहा होगा, you still go buy बीकाजी there because you care about convenience कि मेरे को कब चीज़ कहाँ मिल रही है. Your point is not to challenge the big companies. Your point is to capture your market slowly. The entire point is yeah.
That's why any company will capture the whole India.
Yeah, obviously.
Then
मतलब शायद इसका क्वेश्चन ये है कि बड़ी मछली छोटी मछली को खा जाएगी तो सर्वाइवल कैसे होगा करके.
वो तो खाएगा ही. But the thing is तुमको एक चीज़ समझ में आएगी. जब तू एक छोटा प्रोडक्ट से स्टार्ट करता है ना, ये कैपिटल गेन है. यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड अभी तो हमारा कैपिटल नहीं है, तो तुम छोटे प्रोडक्ट से स्टार्ट कर रहे हो. एंड नाउ द मोर यू एक्चुअली स्टार्ट इन्वेस्टिंग इनटू एन इंडस्ट्री, द मोर यू स्टार्ट ऑब्जर्विंग इन इंडस्ट्री, तुम्हारे जो क्लाइंटेल बढ़ते जाएंगे.
understanding mistakes हो जाती है.
That's where you kind of need to get वो जो बोल रहा था connections and connections. That matters a lot. Communication matters. Communicating the part की